What is chronic kidney disease? This is Jasmine. Jasmine has chronic kidney disease. Chronic doesn't mean serious or dangerous, it actually means long-term. So chronic kidney disease, or CKD for short, is a long-term condition that means your kidneys don't work as well as they should. When Jasmine was first diagnosed, there were some other terms she needed to get her head around too. Renal is a medical word for kidneys. Renal and kidneys are the same thing. Chronic kidney disease is usually caused by other conditions that put a strain on the kidneys. This could be high blood pressure, diabetes, kidney inflammation, an inherited kidney condition, blockages in the flow of urine, or some medicines. CKD can get worse over many months or years, and eventually the kidneys may stop working altogether, but this is uncommon. Most people with CKD are able to live long lives and don't go on to have kidney failure. There are usually no symptoms of CKD in the early stages. It may only be diagnosed if you have a blood or urine test for another reason and the results show a possible problem with your kidneys. At more advanced stages of CKD, fluid, minerals and waste products can build up in the blood to harmful levels because the kidneys can no longer remove them from the body. Symptoms can include tiredness, swollen ankles, shortness of breath, or feeling sick. People with advanced CKD often have high blood pressure. The buildup of minerals like potassium and phosphate in the blood can cause heart problems and brittle bones. CKD has 5 stages: stage 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. CKD stages are dependent on how well the kidneys work. Stage 1 CKD means mild kidney damage. We use blood tests to check your health. We use a blood test called eGFR, or estimate of glomerular filtration rate, to estimate how well your kidneys work. Stage 1 CKD means the kidneys are working at more than 90% of maximum. Your eGFR will be 90 or higher. Stage 5 CKD is sometimes called advanced renal disease or end-stage kidney disease. This sounds scarier than it is. It doesn't mean the end of your life, just that your kidneys no longer work well enough to keep you healthy. In stage 5 CKD, the kidneys are working at less than 15% of maximum, and your eGFR will be less than 15. We also test the urine to look for blood or proteins. These would not normally get past the filtration system in healthy kidneys. Other blood tests look for minerals and waste products in the blood that would usually get removed through your kidneys. There is no cure for CKD, but treatment can help relieve symptoms and stop CKD from getting worse. The main treatments are lifestyle changes to help you remain as healthy as possible by eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and not smoking. Medicines to control blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes, if you are diabetic, may be needed. In stage 5 CKD, there are 3 options for patients: dialysis, kidney transplantation, or conservative management. Conservative management means that your healthcare team continues your care without dialysis or a kidney transplant. The focus of this care is on the person's quality of life and symptom control. When you have stage 5 CKD, choosing the best option can be difficult, but your kidney specialists can help you choose the best treatment for you. If you have any questions about the information in this video, or if you would like to learn more, visit our website.